YouTube. Today I got a quick video I want to do for you guys out there that got the Commanders and the Mavericks, and what I'm going to be doing is what a lot of people call the Sport Low mod, or it's basically what it does is it's a harness that you install, and it gives you the ability to be in low range on your transmission, but in sport mode at the same time, which gives you way better throttle response. It's good for if you're pulling somebody out, or if you're mud bogging or whatever it might be, hill climbing, but you need it to be in low range. And normally from the factory, when you're in low range, you can't be in sport mode, because what it is they're worried about you damaging your belt, your transmission, or a half shaft. So they limit your throttle and limit your throttle response when you floor it. So by installing this harness, it will trick the Commander into thinking that you're not in low range, I should say, and that it gives you the ability to be in sport mode while in low range. So I just wanted to show you, I've already prepped my unit. There's not a whole lot involved in getting access to this. You've got to pull your seat out, you've got to pull your floor pan out. As far as when I say floor pan, I mean the plastic that covers your gas tank. And then you've also got the trim panel that covers the right side of the motor. So if you've ever done spark plugs or anything like that, you'll have had your Commander or Maverick apart like this. And I just wanted to speed it up and avoid showing all that. If you guys don't know how to get to this point, let me know, comment, and I can do like a revised video on what you need to do to get to this point in order to do the actual harness, the installation of the harness. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull it. Right now I got the camera on a tripod. I'm going to pull the camera off a tripod, and I'm going to hold it in my hand so that way you can see right down where we're trying to get. But basically what we're going to be doing is down there below the throttle selector is your gear, the harness right there for your transmission. That's the gear indicator. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to unplug that, plug a harness in line with that, and then and that's pretty much it. So give me 1 second. Alright, so basically what we're going to be doing, like I said, is this right here is your selector indicator, and basically what this does is when you move your shift lever, this moves inside here, changes the gears. This is also tied into that. So when you're in low, this is telling the computer and the dash and everything you're in low, reverse, neutral, drive, so on and so forth. So basically what we're going to be doing is we're going to be unplugging this, and we're going to be putting this in series with that plug. And what this does is this tricks, like I said, it tricks the computer and that everything all involved into the fact that it's basically tricking the computer to thinking that you're not in low when you are in low. So I mean, I guess that's the easiest way to describe it. But basically you're going to unplug this. I've already kind of pre-unplugged it. So you're going to unplug this, set this out of the way. You're going to plug this in right here. Make sure it's nice and snapped on there. And then you're going to take the plug, the factory plug that you unplugged, and you're going to plug it in the other end. Make sure that's on there. And I mean, it's that simple. It's literally that simple. So now what's going to happen is when you're in low, you'll still be able to go into sport mode, because that bypasses it. And let me show you what I mean. Now before, without this harness, if you were in low and you clicked sport mode would not come on, it was locked out. Now with that harness, whether I'm in low or I'm in high, I can activate sport mode. And that's basically what that does. It doesn't seem like a lot, but sport mode and low is a huge noticeable difference, especially for you guys that have bigger tires and you know, you haven't done clutches and things like that, and you know what I'm talking about. Your stuff's basically a pig in high gear and you gotta roll around in 4 low to try to make up for the big tires. So basically by having the sport mode, you can now be in low and then you can put it in sport mode in low with that mod, and it will wake your Commander or Maverick up big time. So hope you enjoyed it. I know it was a short one and I didn't get into a lot of the taking it all apart and all that stuff, but I just didn't want to bore you guys. Like I said, if you need to see that, if someone isn't that familiar with these and they need a little bit of help on that, please you know, comment, and I can revise it and I can show you the steps involved in doing that. But I just wanted to try to keep it short and simple for all you guys that know your way around your unit. And really, you should take these panels off from time to time and clean them. You know, I mean, I try to keep my stuff clean. There's nothing worse than trying to work on something where you're pulling panels off and it's all full of mud and shit. It just you don't work on stuff like that. So keep your stuff clean and work on it clean, and you'll be thankful down the road. So please like and subscribe, and check back, and I'm going to be doing a lot more videos. So if you are a car enthusiast or a side-by-side enthusiast, or even like a water sports guy, jet skis, things like that, subscribe to my channel, Eluder Racing, because I love all that stuff, and that's what I'm doing. I'm going to be posting videos for all that type of stuff. I got a Lightning over there I'm going to be doing some stuff on, and I enjoy all this stuff. So please like and subscribe and check back from time to time. Take care. Surprise! Did you honestly think I was going to end a video without showing you the Commander all put back together, looking nice? Come on, guys. You should know me a little bit better than that. So, there she is. All cleaned up. Looking good. Ready to go out. Have a little bit of fun. And try out the new mod. So, just wanted to end the video in a proper way. Alright guys, thanks again. Oh, happy Memorial Day.